Okay, we are looking at conversions and T-charts. T-charts are going to be a way in chemistry where we can convert between any unit back and forth that we need to. And we're going to be using it all year. So we may as well learn it the right way now. And let's get some simple examples. Like we all know that there are like 12 inches in 1 foot. So using a T-chart, could you find out how many feet are in 24 inches? Sure, you could probably do that in your head very quickly. But here's an easy way to do it in chemistry is we want to set up the multiplication of two fractions. We want to make a proportion. So if I'm given 24 inches, I'm going to put that in the numerator of my first fraction, and I'm going to put that over 1. So anything divided by 1 is itself. So 24 over 1 is 24. That's cool. What do we want to multiply it by? We want to take this information here, our 12 inches is equal to 1 foot, and use it here in our second fraction. So in our proportion here, I want to put inches to feet. But which way do I do it? Do I put inches here, feet here? Well, I look up here at inches on top, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to match that unit on the denominator of my second fraction. So the proportion is going to allow us to cancel those units. And I can put my desired unit on top. So here's what I'm given. Here's what I want to find. And these inches are going to end up canceling. I know that there's 1 foot to 12 inches. So now we have two fractions that we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply our 24 times our 1 foot over our 12. So that becomes 24 feet divided by 12. And that's going to simplify to 2 feet. Okay. So I've got 2 feet as my final answer, even though I probably could have done that in my head. This is an easy way to put it up in a proportion. We, again, we could have done that in our head, no problem. But with the T chart, what we do is instead of writing the two fractions times each other, we're going to write it as this table that looks like a letter T. It's helpful because if we had to convert multiple different proportions, we could. But let's just do it again like a simple version. Let's take our given 24 inches for the unit, and we're going to put it over 1. I want it to be in feet, so I'm going to put feet on top. And I want to cancel out inches, so I'm going to put inches here. Now, I know the conversion is that there are 12 inches to 1 foot. So that's going to be equal to 24 times 1 divided by 1 times 12. So it's basically 24 feet over 12 because our units cancel. And that simplifies to 2 feet. So that's the gist of the T-chart. What if you had to do it in a longer form, like you wanted to find out how many seconds were in an hour? Well, let's say I give you 1 hour and you have to find the seconds. I'm going to write a longer T-chart because this takes a few steps. In 1 hour, I know that there are 60 minutes. So I want to go to minutes. I would put minutes on the numerator or on top, and I would put hours on bottom. Hours are going to hours are going to cancel, and my conversion factor is this. I have 60 minutes per 1 hour. So I'm not done yet because I haven't gotten to seconds. So I need to make another line to divide minutes and seconds. I'm looking for seconds, so I put S for seconds, and I'm trying to get rid of minutes. So I'm going to put minutes across for minutes. I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So now I can multiply all three of these numbers. 1 times 60 is going to be 3,600. and that's gonna be in seconds because minutes and hours canceled. Bye-bye hours, bye-bye minutes, and that's gonna be over 1 or 3,600 seconds. And you could take this T-chart on and on and on, okay? So that's quick example how to use the T-chart. Hope this helps. Bye-bye.